Hi guys, today I want to show you how to solder a gas tank on a motorcycle gas tank. So as you can see, you can use epoxy. There is a special kind of epoxy that you can use, like right there. I use some, but it looks ugly, to be honest with you. It looks bad, and it does hold. You can patch it. It does hold, but it looks bad. Like I wish I would have soldered it out here. So here I got some holes out here that I soldered on the inside. Oh, I might go too far. Right here. I soldered those couple holes right there. Okay. So I got one more hole right there. Right over there. So I got the hole right there. I'm gonna solder that hole, and so what we're gonna need is we're gonna need something to clean it with. I'm gonna clean it with my Dremel. So just to clean the metal, I'm gonna need a soldering paste flux. I'm gonna need some solder and a good soldering gun. So I got the 260 watt, 200 to 260 watt. There's two settings on it. When you push the button, it clicks twice. So once for 200, then you hit it more, and it's going to be 260. Was a nice tip on it. So I'm going to have to clean it up at here, put some flux on there, and solder it. So let me put the camera, and I'll show you how I do it. Let me put the camera on. Okay, so first I'm gonna clean it up right here. Just make sure it's nice and clean. Then once I clean it, I'm gonna plug my soldering gun. Okay. So the soldering paste comes with a little brush, so just get a little flux on the brush and just brush it around the hole. Okay. Now I'm gonna heat up my soldering iron. I gotta make sure the tip is pretty hot to solder that metal. So just hold it for, I don't know, like 30 seconds or so. Make sure it's nice and hot, and then put a little bit of solder on there. And Just put it on the hole. You gotta heat the metal up around it. So sometimes if you put a heat gun out here and heat it up a little bit with a heat gun, that would definitely help. Let me heat it up with a heat gun to make it look a little better. Okay, so as you can see, the heat gun really helped make it a nice. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna test it and make sure it's not leaking anymore. So how I'm gonna test it is I'm gonna get a little bit of soapy water, and the some compressed air. So I'm gonna blow compressed air into the tank and spray some soapy water out here, just to make sure it's not bubbling. And as you can see, it's good. No more bubbles. Not bubbling. So it's not bubbling anymore, so that's how you solder the tank. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Might save you a couple bucks. And subscribe for more videos. And make sure you hit the like button if it was helpful, and if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. And leave your comments. If any comments you have, just leave your comments in there. And have a good one.